Hi guys!
Yalla, yalla.
Play tayo ng tong eds. Ang matalo ito yung punishment. Lipstick. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ang matalo, lalagyan ng lipstick. O kasi yung asawa ko, gusto niyan maglaro ng tong eds. Ewan ko ba bakit gusto niya maalam ng ano. Tungit gusto yata itong magkasino eh. Dong, magkasino ka dong? Ha? Dong, gusto matuto ng kasino? Ala, oo daw. Yari ka sa akin dong. Yari ka sa akin dong kung gustong matuto ng tong ito. Ay, ang ganda ng aking baraha. Ito na oh, King Kong.
What you do?
King Kong. Ayo ano na, you sit. Hirap naman mag-English mga bioy. Sud ka mag-English, oy, giatay lang. Eh, sige pa dong, malolos ka talaga. Malulu. Aba. Aba. This day. Okay, so I will put this one here. Like this or yeah, good.
6?
No, it's 9. You speak Tagalog na?
Ano 6 bo?
Nahihirapan ako mag-English. It's very difficult to speak English. Uf, asawa pa more. Ang Inglesera. Oh, ano yan? Ito na. Ah, yan ang itatapon ko.
5.
Ha? Wala?
Hmm?
Oh my God. How many cards you have? How many? I'm asking you, how many? Ah, so this...
This is my number.
Okay, okay. I don't want to fight. Ooh. Okay. I will put. I will put na. Hello. Later, I will also do the drawing your. Sige, the drawing ko. Eh, ikaw pala mamigay. I-draw ko din yung mukha mo. Sige. Ginaganyan mo ako, ha? Our light is not enough. Ginaganyan mo mukha ako, ha? Sige lang. Yalla. Quickly, quickly. Bilisan mo. I can't wait to put your lipstick.
We'll see.
Wallah. Can't wait. I will draw like this.
I will give you another one, huh?
Which one? Another one. No, not like this. Don't.
No, I will give like this.
No, it's not.
Try one time like this.
It's not good, wallah.
Try one time. 5, 4,
See?
4.
Maybe you already tongue it.
Check. How many card? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
1, 2, 3, 4. See? That's why you giving like this. Kaya mo pala binibigyan ng ganito kasi gusto mo mag-tongue talaga. No, I will not. I will not allow you to tongue it. Because today, because right now, I'm gonna win. Tama ba English ko mga be? Ambot sa kinangkong. Wala na, lalabas na yung tiyan. Tingnan mo, manganganak na siya. Oh, sorry. Umutot! Sinang umutot? You depart?
Random.
But I heard you did part. I will upload this on my YouTube. Guys, oh, tingnan ninyo guys. Oh, tingnan niyo. Makikita niya eh. Yala. Tagal mo. Oh, it's mine. I'm telling you. I will be win. Telling you. I will be win. Telling you, I will be win. Five. See? Ikaw na ang mister, right? Hindi ko alam kung ano natapon ko, but see? It's for him. Uh-oh. Four. 2 pears and 1 panapon. Oh, tongue it. See? I said 2 pear and 1 panapon. Okay na, halika na. I will put. Go. Come here. Oh, that's why. You see, no? It's a one per wallah. It's not showing on the video. Shuna, come.
Hi.
Come here.
Later. Yalla. In the end, we will show what is the real.
Nah.
How many lines here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How 4?
Here, Here.
1, 2, 3. That means you lost 3, I lost
4.
4. Total 7 games.
Sure na, I will off this. Show your ano.
Sure.
Ah.
You will show.
Guys, so natalo ako, oh. Ayan, oh. Dali na. Oh. Olo, hindi halata. Hindi halata. Talo siya.
This is an advantage of chocolate color.
Madaya ka. Bye-bye, guys. Next video.
Bye bye.